Hi, you're watching Butterslands and thank you for tuning in today's episode. Before we dive into the Birds of the Week review, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell notification so you'd not miss any new content. Let's learn, explore and discover in today's episode. Enjoy. The martial eagle. Apart from being the most persecuted bird species in the world for taking livestock, the martial eagle is the largest and most powerful species of the booted eagle, and they have a slow breeding rate of 1 egg after 2 years. The African hobby. These birds of prey sexes tend to be similar, unlike the juvenile birds, which are easily identifiable by their browner with a heavier streaking on the underparts and a paler cheek, nape and throat. They usually nest using old stick nests of other birds, especially the black kites. The double-toothed barbet. With its black and red coloring and yellow eyes, the double-toothed barbet is known by its large and off-white bill. Though males and females have similar markings, females, however, are identifiable with lines of black feathers on the white side patch. The cassowary. Of the East African territories, is the second heaviest bird after the ostrich, standing close to 2 meters tall. One of the world's deadliest birds because of its razor-shaped claws of about 5 inches long, and this made it to our Weird Wednesday spot of the previous week. The Eurasian hobby. Though sexes are similar, these birds of prey are described with their unstreaked white throat, slate grey underparts with a rich unstreaked rufous just under their tail coverts, and the rest of the underparts are whitish with black streaks. The black kite. These fearless birds of prey are attracted by smoke and fire when they seek escaping prey, and they are known for spreading fire by picking and dropping burning twigs so as to flush out prey from hiding. The red-faced lovebird. Most times seen with their bills locked like in an act of kissing, the red-faced lovebirds are easily differentiated, with the adult male having a well-demarcated red area on its head extending to the top area of the beak, over the left and right up to the eyelid margins, and the females have an orange face coloring with less demarcation. The red-cheeked cordon-bleu. A common seed eater that is frequently seen in flocks near open grassland or savanna habitats. Though the sexes are similar, females, however, are distinguished by the lack of the red spot on its cheek. Unlike for the males, the red spot is visibly seen. The sage grouse. The great sage grouse is a large chicken-like bird found in open sagebrush plains. Though not found in East Africa, what makes this bird interesting is its elaborate mating ritual. Male birds strut, fan their feathers, and inflate bright yellow throat sacs, making a popping sound, all with the hope of attracting a female, hence giving it to our Weird Wednesday spot. The African golden-breasted bunting. Though sexes are similar, adult females are identifiable with a buff tone to the white head markings and browner head strips, accompanied with dark streaks on the back, while males have striking head patterns with a white crown, black lateral crown strips, white supercilium, and black bordered white ear coverts. This common bird is found throughout East Africa, and it crowned our Thursday bird of the day. Now, let's grab those earphones, adjust your volume, and let's take a moment to listen to the calls and sounds of these amazing birds for easy identification. Enjoy.